Hey guys, how are you? Hello, my name is Mr. Alam, Saif Alam. Now I'm going to cut sirloin. This is Australian sirloin. I'm going to cut each 280 grams. So now I cut one piece. Yes, this is perfect 280 grams. Yes, see, this is very good meat, very fresh meat. Now this one I am going to cut sirloin. This one Wagyu sirloin, marbling 8 plus. Yes, see, good marbling, meat color good, very nice. Yes, this one first cut. My knife is little bit not sharp, but very easy to cut. Wagyu sirloin plus. Yes, this one 250 each. Yes, this one 250 each. Now I'm going to next piece. This one also should be 250 exact. Yeah, see, this one very nice piece. Also this one 250. Yeah, I cut already 3 pieces. Now more I want to cut. Yes, this one 250 should be exact 250. Yeah, this one Wagyu sirloin 5 plus Australian Wagyu sirloin. Now I am clean my hand. Yes, I will clean and I will show you the Wagyu sirloin 5 plus. C marbling, very nice, amazing meat. Me, Mr. Alam, Saif Alam. Yes, now I am going to clean MB fillet. This one MB fillet, Australian MB fillet. This one. Yes, now I am cleaning this one. See, too much fat and very hard to clean this one because too much fat and too much silver in this fillet, tenderloin, MB fillet tenderloin. This one too much fat and also too much silver in this tenderloin. Very easy to clean South African fillet and South African tenderloin, but this one also, and also Wagyu tenderloin very easy, but this one tenderloin very difficult to clean. I clean my hand. I will sharp my knife because we need to very sharpness knife for cleaning silver in this tenderloin. Hello guys, continue watch my video, and if you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, comment, share, subscribe, follow, support. Now I'm cleaning. Yeah, see, I'm clean this one fillet, very nice looking. My friend is listening my voice. My shape is my behind. Yes, see, too much fat in this fillet. This one little bit more clean. Now this one finish, almost finished this fillet clean. Yes, too much fat in this fillet guys, very difficult. Our restaurant in Al Khobar, Dammam, Saudi Arabia. I am working in the butcher shop and grill. 5-star restaurant, very hygienic. Follow, should be maintained hygienic and also standard of HACCP. See this fillet, very nice. Too much good. Now I'm going to cut tomahawk. This is tomahawk, big meat and big stick also, you can see, very big stick. Now my chef is cutting tomahawk by band saw machine. This one each 1 kg 200 each portion. Yes, 1 kg 200 each portion. See, this one 1175 almost. Yes, my chef, this is my chef Manoj. He is also cutting the tomahawk. This is very nice piece tomahawk. Yes, he is telling me you can put in the display this one. and this one you can use in display. Yes, he removed some fat. I will show you the tomahawk pieces, very nice. See the tomahawk, big stick in the meat. Tomahawk, this one MB 5 Australian tomahawk. This one I am putting my restaurant's display. This one Wagyu sirloin, before you saw already. Now I am putting this one in display. See, our display is looking like that. Where is borrowers, Australian ribeye, Australian fillet, Wagyu ribeye. This is borrowers. This is Wagyu sirloin. The whole one, this Wagyu ribeye. Also this one primary burger patty. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel for new videos. Bye bye, take care guys, see you soon in a new video.